I'm going to show you how to make the ending scores into a picture using paint. I'm going to go very slow on this, and there's, a few steps that you're going to have to take. So this is one that I had used, I don't know, it was a different game, level 114 it says. Right now we have 23 members that played. So we want to split this in half. So we are going to do 12 and 11, 12 on one side and 11 on the other. So let's count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, number 13. That would have been smart. Of course it is. So hit here, excuse me, go down one below because we want 12 above. We're going to go up here and we're going to hit insert. You know, I'm on Excel and I'm sure I should have used the other one, but I didn't have a copy of anything. Anyway, we're going to hit insert and we're going to insert a row. So we're going to hit that and see how this row appeared. We're going to do that again. I want 2 rows in there. We're going to go up here to the top, insert, and we'll find it on the one that you're using. But hit that and insert sheet row. So we're going to hit that also. Hold on, let me get that in there. Okay, so we have 2 rows in this. And now I want you to come down here. And we're going to play like this as 2 completely separate pages. We're going to put name and ending score. So we want name right here. We want ending score here. And we're going to center this. And this is already centered. We're going to make this yellow just like this. We're going to make this yellow just like this. So do that. And then hit your paint bucket. Make it yellow. Do this and make it yellow. So these are the name and ending scores, and like I said, we're treating this as if it is 2 different sheets. On your computer, you need to find the button that says Print Screen. Mine says PRT and then SC, Print Screen. So what I want you to do is hit that button. You won't know that it did anything because you can't see anything that happens, but just hit the print screen. Come down to the bottom with me. I'm right here. See this little icon? That is paint. I want you to hit that. It's going to pop up. This is what it looks like. Come over here to the left under File. And you see this little paper thing right here? Just hit that little paper thing right there, like this. And this is what's going to pop up. This is the picture that you just took of the scores when you hit print screen. Right now I'm just moving this page up because I want it to move up this way. So in other words, I hit print screen. Let me come out of here. I hit print screen of this. I went down here, right there. See where I am? I'm going to hit that. You would come over and hit this little piece of paper, and this is what you're going to get. Exact same picture of your score sheet. We are going to do the bottom first. See right here where it says crop? Whoops, it was already blue. Let me undo that. It's already blue. So we're going to crop this. We are going to cut out a piece of this. So come down here. You see this little plus looking sign thing? I want you to come over here and start right here, and I want you to cut that out. See what I'm doing? Just hold down your mouse and bring that over here. And I go a little bit beyond the line because we're going to end up cropping it later on. Okay? Let go. And then come up here. See me at the top? And hit crop. Okay, this is what I have. So I want you to do File, Save As, put it in your, you can do pictures if you want, it doesn't make any difference. Put it in pictures, okay? And I want you to title it, this is going to be, what are we doing? This is level 114. And I want you to tag it as second sheet, okay? So you'll know what you're looking for when you go back to pull it up. And I want you to save that. All we're doing is saving that in pictures. Level 114, it's your second sheet. And then save it. Okay? Now, I want you to go up here and X this off. See over here to your right? I'm just going to X it off. Now we're going to go back to the same picture. This is your score sheet. We've already taken a picture of this bottom page. This is your second sheet. So now we're going to go up and take a picture of this first one, the top part. I want you again on your computer, hit print screen. I just did. Come on, follow me down here. And I want you, I hope you can see this. I don't know if you can or not really. At the bottom, it looks like a little color palette for paint. See, paint right there. Anyway, hit that. We're going to do the same thing. Hit this little paper right here. Just on your mouse, click it, and this is going to pop up. I'm going to just move it up so we can, there you go, like this. Now I want you to crop it again. See, this is blue. We're going to crop this again. Once you get this little sign here, you know you can crop. Do the same thing as you did the bottom, but we're doing the top this time. And go out just a little bit further, and I'm going to show you why in a minute. And just let the mouse go like that. Come up and hit crop, and it's going to cut this out for you. Right here, crop. See? Now we have that. Okay, now what I want you to do, move this over here. Whoops, wrong one, wrong page. Okay, here we go. Now what I want you to do is, you see this little bitty dot right here, and see this arrow that's going back right and left? I want you to left click that, and I want you to pull it out. We are extending this. See that? So all we did was make this bigger because we're going to put the other half here. So come up here, see where it says paste? We want paste from. Paste from is what we're doing. Hit that. And then we are going to go to pictures because that's where you just saved it to. And it was level 114, the second sheet. That's what we're looking for. Level 114, second sheet. I want you to open that. Uh-oh. Let me try that again. Why won't it open? Well, whoops, paste from. I'm just going to go to quick access because I just did that. We're going to over here and we're going to open it. There you go. And now see this little snowflake looking thing? You can move that all around. I want you to come over here and I want you to line it up. See this line right here? I want it right on the other side of the line because I want to be able to see that line for the separation. So I want you to just bring it on up, nice and clean. And when all your lines are lined up, just take your finger up and it is done. It is set. You've placed this one next to this one. So that is how you do the two. We're going to crop it one more time. And this is what we're going to do. Again, you crop right here, okay? And then come over here to the far. I think I have part of this cut off. And I want you to go all the way down. See where Ruby Anderson is? Go all the way down and bring it over and line up with this line on the right-hand side. Right there. And let it go. And now I want you to come up here and hit crop again. There's our picture. So that's how you take your score sheet, you split it in half. You do a print screen of the bottom section, and it is done as level whatever second sheet. You go back in, you take a picture of the top part and you crop it out. You go to paste, you hit paste from, because you've already extended this out, and you plop it in here. That's how we combined the two sheets together. And we have, this is your first place, second, and all the scores in order, numerical order. That's how you do it.